Hello, this one is our projection microscope with analyzer and polarizer attachment. Firstly, I am telling you the parts layout of this machine. This one is for projection screen and this is for both one highlighter, and now this one is the nose piece with objective, 4 number objective. First one is 4x, 5x, then 10x, another is 20x, and last one is for 40x. And this is for analyzer in and out and in knob. This one is mechanical stage with X and Y movement. This one is for condenser attachment, and this one is for polarizer attachment, and this one is for coarse motion knob, or this one fine motion knob. This is for on off switch, and this one is light intensity knob. Now firstly connect the power cord back side of this machine, and other end is connecting with the switchboard and switch on the button. And now this one is on off switch on, and now this one is light intensity knob. I am making one temporary slide fiber. Now I am fixing this slide and remove this highlighter like this, and focus the sample with the help of this focusing knob like this one. As per your convenience, you have increased this magnification, like this one is the 10x, and as per your convenience you have changed this one. This one is normal. This one is normal bright field photo of this fiber, and now I am put on the another slide. This one is for special fiber with different type of dyes, look like this one. I am focus it again, and now I am analyzer in and polarizer is also in, and now I am rotate this polarizer, this one, rotate this one, and show it on the screen. Its color will be changed like this. When this analyzer is in condition, this color is not changed. This one is in condition, out condition, then it's working like this. And without analyzer and polarizer, this effect will be comes on your screen like this. And now this is the working of this projection microscope, and thank you.